Oven roasted buffalo turkey wings. These are fall off the bone. These are smack you in the face amazing. These are jam packed with flavor. And guess what? These are also so easy to make. Your eyes are not deceiving you right at this moment. What you see is what you get. This is everything. I am trying to let you know. And guess what? Your boy is about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any time at all and let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So we are going to begin with our beautiful turkey wings right here. And we are going to separate the drums from the flats. Let me know in the comments when it comes to the wings, what side are you on? Are you team drums or are you team flats? Drop it down in the comment section below. Me, it's something about those flats. They are just the best, hands down. No competition, all right? So to separate them, I kind of broke them by the joint a little bit and then begun to slice as you see me doing on the screen before you. All right, nice and easy. Go ahead and do that until you have all your turkey wings sliced up, ready to go. So I'm now gonna transfer my wings into this pot right here. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage. You know that's how we always do around here. Once that's taken care of, you'll see on the screen I've listed all the seasonings you need to have your turkey wings oh so delicious. You know the motto, we don't do bland. Ain't no bland turkey wings over here. So go ahead and go crazy. Drop all that seasoning right on top and mix it all in, guys. Once that's taken care of and you have your turkey wings all seasoned up, looking so good, we are then going to drop in about a cup of chicken broth. And you don't want to pour it directly on top because we don't want to rinse off all that yummy seasoning we have sitting on that skin. So you'll see I kind of poured it to the side, you feel me? Pour it to the side until you have all that chicken broth in there. Top it off, and we are gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat. So once the 20 minutes are up, this is how you should be looking. We are almost there. You do not skip this step, all right? If you do, you're gonna end up with some hard, chewy behind turkey wings. We don't want none of that. We want some tender, fall off the bone turkey wings, all right? So turkey wings are almost there. I have my pan here. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And all I'm doing here is just transferring my wings onto my pan. And I'm just going to pop them in the oven. And like I said, 350 degrees. And we're going to cook them for 60 minutes. 1 hour, everyone. So after that hour is up, this is how you should be looking. Good, real good. Look at the color. Look at the crust that we have on our turkey wings. Tell me this don't look amazing. Come on now. So go ahead and transfer that into your mixing bowl. Drizzle on a little bit of your favorite buffalo sauce and give it a toss like, ugh. All right, get it all mixed up, covered in that goodness. And we are not finished. We are not done. We want that sauce to caramelize a little bit. So once we're done tossing it up, we're going to put it back in that pan. And we're going to put it back in that oven for about 3 minutes or so until they looking even better. So this is it, fresh up out the oven. Look at that there. This is pressure. Must I repeat myself? This is pressure. Fall off the bone, takes no effort at all. Beautiful, well seasoned up, perfectly cooked, moist on the inside. Buffalo turkey wings. Go ahead and dip it in that ranch sauce and take yourself a bite. Come on now, stop playing with your boy. This is amazing right here. I have it served with some carrots and some celery sticks to dip in that ranch sauce as well. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Look at that. Takes no effort. Look at that. No effort at all. Beautiful, moist, well seasoned up buffalo turkey wings. And it took no effort, like I said. Nice and easy, full of flavor. You're gonna love this one. Absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys try it. When you guys do, come back in the comments and let me know how'd you love it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Hit that like button. Let YouTube know you love what we got going on here, as well as leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.